What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Welcome back to Fly with MKZ in this cloudy weather, but it's great for flying. Today, I'm going to show you how to refuel one Cessna 72 Skyhawk. So stay tuned, come with me, let's go. So sorry about the music, but nothing better than music. So let's go and refuel this. First thing first, you have to have your safety. So that's the earth line come to your metal part. The best place is here. A second, you have to tell them what kind of fuel you need, Jet A1, MoGas or Avgas. We do Avgas for this aircraft. So for Avgas #1 and #1 is ready. So we need something to stand on. And of course, refueling. After you fill your tank, you have to make sure you close the cap, because you don't want to, #1, your caps goes off during a flight, or when you park your aircraft, the moisture or water goes in. So let's put back everything in a place. Don't forget this. Thank you for watching this video. I know it was a short and sweet. So have a good time. See you in another video. Don't forget, if you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to be first notified that I upload a video.